Hello everyone, I'm Pedro and here's what's new with GetResponse. March brought us some exciting surprises. We released quick transactional emails. Now you can send order confirmations when we're targeting abandoned carts to win-back customers. If you don't already have an integration with Shopify, make sure you do, it only takes a single click. Moving on, our email templates library keeps growing. We have just added 5 new professionally designed templates ready for you to use. For those of you who received our email, let us know if you have a specific type of email template you would like to see. There's a survey that will take no longer than a single minute, and there's a high chance that you will get what you ask for. Last but not least, our website builder is definitely on a roll. We made new improvements, including adding special effects to the header, web push notifications at a distance of a click, and segmentation based on the website your customer subscribed. All that only in March. There's more exciting news to come. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and flick the little bell so that you are the first to know about our updates. It's now time to log back in to your account or to create a free one if you don't have yet, and provide us a comment below with your thoughts. This is where I leave you, and I'll see you in the next update. Stay tuned.